friends, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So today we will learn how to make money online by combining digital marketing and relevant side hustles. So many times we will be running behind the digital marketing itself, but that is insufficient way to make money online. Okay, sometimes you have to add your relevant side hustles by combining them with the digital marketing, so that this combination can boost your earnings that you are already doing it from the online businesses. So there are plenty of effective ways to make money with the digital marketing. Before starting, you must fix your aim and focus on what you are selling, promoting, blogging, etc. digitally. So this will form our second part, that is side hustles, which we will be adding after I explain you how to do the digital marketing first and get started with quickly. Okay. So as a content writer, you can earn like a good amount by proper planning and writing content for various online channels, as well as like being a freelance content writer. Then it is one of the basic part of the digital marketing strategy also, and can write for a wide range of articles, blogs, social media scripts, website content are there, and there are plenty of other ways where the digital marketing will be required. So for polishing your content writing specialist skill, you need to focus more on the English writing skills as well. Okay. So basically what digital marketing is and how it is constituted. So the keyword research and SEO skills are very important when you talk about the DMs. Like analytics skills to have the good knowledge in content writing. You can pursue online content marketing courses as well, for both free and paid contents are already available there. Okay, basically you just go for the free ones, because there are like plenty of open books available for digital marketing, by reading which you can quickly grasp what digital marketing is and how you can get started with it. For good practice, you can start writing your own blog, okay, with any topics you like. This will help you to develop your writing skills and then experience also. Okay, so these are basic steps you must follow. You cannot skip to the next level and start earning money right away. You can become a SEO expert first, okay, that is search engine optimization, because whenever you search like on the Google, then you will see few websites are popping out on the first page. So why they are on the first page, that is very important question. They are on the first page because they have optimized their search engines. Okay, whenever you type something, let's say like online shopping, then Amazon will pop up for the first page, but that comes there because they have optimized their search engine, so that whenever a user anywhere in the world will search for the online shopping, then it will automatically get connected to the Amazon first. Okay, and that's why you are seeing like Amazon result on the top pages, but obviously it has a big thing behind that. So that is what you have to do, but you have to do it on an individual level for your own blogs or whatever content you will be publishing. So the backbone and important area of the digital marketing is SEO. Okay, you can earn money by selling SEO services also in many different ways. For better understanding, you need to know what a search engine is and how it works for promoting or selling the services and products. So learn and update about SEO. Okay, that is first step, which is easily available on the internet. You just type in SEO and you will see bunch of articles are there. You can join good SEO course for that matter, which is paid and available online. Okay, to go more deeper into it once you get the experience. So after getting skill sets of digital marketing, how could it help you or to get kick started with the other side hustles? So these methods can be used by students also. Okay, whether you are like freelancer or the student, it can be used. The technique can be used by anyone all over the world to work like part-time or earn some extra cash online, or you can also make it as a full-time business for yourself. So I'm assuming that you may have already heard about like affiliate marketing, blogging is there, freelancing is there, publishing, or Kindle ebook is there that is published on the Amazon. To be honest with you, all of these methods are good, but they require considerable time, effort and investment to start with. Okay, so what can be done to make it successful? Instead of these, I would recommend you to start with the easy and fast ways of making money online, so that you can start earning more quickly. Okay, this will give you more confidence and some digital capital, which can then invest to buy courses to learn more and update your skill sets to earn more money online. Here are some easy ways to make money online as a student by combining digital marketing and your new side hustles. You get paid to fill up online surveys. Okay, you can either go for filling up the surveys by yourself. Okay, that is the one path. But once you are prominent in the digital marketing, you can also refer other people to join your survey channels, okay, and then earn from the affiliate commission. But this can be successfully done only if you are very good at the digital marketing. So you have to like compile all the survey sites that are available there where you sign up. You get your affiliate links from there, okay, you put it on your website, and then you start SEO of your own website so that you can get more audience for it. Okay, a popular way of for students to make money online is to fill out the online surveys in their spare time. So bunch of university guys can be like looking after your website if the content is right. Then big research companies are always recruiting new people worldwide to answer their surveys and test new ideas. So this is a great idea to start. Like for a few minutes of form filling, you can make some quick money which will be paid to you as a cash or gift. Okay. Then there are also other websites which you can refer to by using your digital marketing skills. That is get paid to sites. Okay. It is similar to server side, but GPT will offer you a wide range of works similar to making money from online survey. GPT site reward you with the cash and gift vouchers. These sites offer multiple earning opportunities all in one place. You can earn money on these sites by doing simple things like completing surveys, downloading apps, playing games, and much. So if you have skills like graphic designing, content writing, and marketing, etc., which you might be obtained from digital marketing, then you can work as a freelancer on apps like Fiverr and Upwork. These two sites I will always bring up in my videos because they are very popular platforms where you can immediately kickstart your career with the passive income earning. You can make social media accounts and websites and post the stuff also, okay? That will be part of your digital marketing. As you grow, you can advertise on your platform for which you get paid, okay? Other than that, you can also sell the stuff like ebooks are there, paperbacks are there, teas, etc., okay? You can write books or make like teas just for the zero cost. Amazon has this amazing service you can check out, okay? Most of the people don't know, but Amazon will offer you publishing like ebooks for their Kindle, or you can also go for the paperback if you have the backing. They also manufacture teas and clothes designed by you for free. Okay, they will just promote it for you. You can also do internships. Also, there are websites like Craft, Internshala, and Let's Intern, which will help you find internship. But in this case, you don't have to do it yourself. You have to just put the data on your website that you have made, okay, and then digitally publish it, optimize it, okay, in the search engine so that more and more audience can get. Basically, you have to connect the dots, okay, from your creating your website first. Then you have to put up the affiliate links for different websites where you have signed up. And then third, using your digital marketing skills, you have to bring more audience on your website. So here three things are happening. Your website is getting popularized. Okay. Second, you are generating your affiliate links, and third, you are generating the revenue from their commissions. So this way, you can keep growing your marketing skills also, your network also, and then rest is like the sky is the limit. You can always keep on adding more and more websites and more content, and then you can start a perfect passive income for yourself. Thank you guys.